Hello guys and welcome to our new video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can create Kleinanzeige account using rentsms phone number and the 4G mobile proxy data that they are offering, because as you see or as you know guys, eBay Kleinanzeige doesn't accept virtual phone numbers and you need really a fresh IP address to create the account because it's really not easy. But no worries guys, I will get you step by step how to create this account successfully. Let's begin. Let me show you quickly the rentsms platform. So this is the rentsms platform, guys. As you can see, they are offering phone numbers and 4G proxies. Here you can see the pricing. For example, if you click here Lithuanian, 1 week, you can see the price there, $7.99 for 1 month. For Czech Republic, $7.99, and so on. You can check later. If you click on the 4G proxy, you can see here all the countries that they're offering of them mobile data proxy for monthly subscription or even for some gigabyte, for example. For now we will go with the Austrian one. I have already bought this one from them. So if you want to buy, just click here. They are accepting offline payments for the moment. Just click there and the agents will take your payment. Let's go back now and start creating our account. I have already downloaded the app from Play Store, guys. So if you don't have the app on your phone, just download it from the Play Store. I think it's easy. I don't need to explain it. Now I need to click on the icon there. And now we need to click here. Now we need to write our email address in the first column. In the second column, we need to write our password. Then we need to choose private and click on the green button, register in. Now we have to go to our email address and confirm it. When we confirm our email address, Kleinanzeige will ask us to verify our phone number. Therefore, I will show you how to get the phone number first and then we will do this. Now we are in the platform of rentsms.online. We need to click on login. This is my account. I have already top up my account. Let's click on numbers. You can see I have my account balance. I have numbers, active numbers. You need to click on buy numbers. Now we need to select a country, for example, Lithuania, and we need to click on buy. Here you can select the renting period. I will just go for 1 week and click on order. You can see this is my number, the new number that I have bought. We will use it to create the Kleinanzeige account. Now let's go back to my Gmail account. So this is the email that we have received from eBay Kleinanzeige. We need to click on the green button there, email address bestätigen, which means confirm your address, and click on the first one. We will open in the browser better. And now just 1 minute, accept the cookies. Now let's type the number here. So I will just change the country code to Lithuania. This one, like this. And here I will type the number that I bought from rentsms.online. And we need to click on this green button, Telefonnummer bestätigen, which means telephone. Now we need to go to rentsms.online and bring the SMS code verification. Now we need to click on the inbox button, which is inbox, to check the SMS code. Now we need to click on refresh. And here is our SMS code verification. Just copy it and type it here. And click on the green button, fertig. So you can read here the registration is successfully completed. Let's go back to the main page. We need to type our email again. Just change it here. 3 and the password. And click on the einloggen, which means login. we have successfully logged in our account, guys. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, share it with your friends and communities. See you in the next one.